Alrighty, this is the play area in Pop's house. I guess everything is the play area, but this is one area where Madden likes to play. So let's go check it out. Let's see what my baby girl is doing. Look at her. She's having fun. Hey, Maddie. She's getting not dirty. Kids, let them be kids. Are you having fun, baby? Where's my baby girl? There she is! Jeez! She's so cute. We had her all clean and everything, and then she comes over here and she's all dirty. We have to take her pants off because they got muddy and poop and everything. And we didn't brought any clothes for her till we get home. We visiting Pop Boy here. What are you doing, baby? Cheese. Oh yeah, she likes having fun here. But we will put more sand on this place, like a sandbox. There goes Cruzy. What are you killing, Cruzy? An ant. Are you having fun, Cruzy? Go play with your sister. Yeah, let's get in here and see what they're doing. Nice sand. Nice little house. Hi, baby. Jeez. He wants to grab the camera. Jeez.
Hey, where are you coming? Ding dong.
So next time we'll bring some clothes for everybody just in case if something like this happens again. She's getting all muddy in there. As long as she's happy, it doesn't matter. You can go home, give her a shower, and problem fix instead of like let them cry, you know, because they can't play with dirt. Remember when I was little, I used to play with dirt and everything and take a shower later on, and I was a happy camper. There's a lot of people out there that they don't let their kids get dirty or have fun like this. Not us. We like to have fun. There's a lot of people out there too, like rednecks. They play in the mud and have fun, and that's how part of my family is, rednecks. They enjoy life to the fullest. We go to lake fishing, stuff like that. Right, Mama? Say cheese. Maddie, say cheese. Let's see if I can get Cruz to say cheese. Cruz, say cheese. He still has cake. Cakey on his cheeks. Uh-oh. No, 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 no. That's too much. Ah, she's getting dirt all over her head. That's a little bit too much. Ugh. But what can we do? Gotta have fun. She loves this little house. I guess she loves it because she can hide and play with mud, that's why. Alrighty. Over now. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Say bye-bye, Maddie. Now she wants to slide. Okay, well, we're gonna let her slide. Cheese. Go. Slide. Cheese. Whee. All right. Now she wants to be playing with something else. All right, Cruz, say over and out.
Over now.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, YouTube friends. Say bye-bye, YouTube friends.
Bye-bye.
Alright, well, like always, this is Jerry. If you're new to my channel, subscribe, comment, like, and talk to you later.